Greg and Mike are here.
Hey, Steve.
Brought their bikes.
You got a rubber band? Oh, sorry.
In a minute, yeah. And we're heading up to Lover's Leap. It's going to be an epic ride. We get some good video up there. Okay, we are headed out. My brothers Greg and Mike are here. And we are headed up to the Lover's Leap Trail. We're going to go up to the top of the rock. This should be epic. I've got my drone with me, so we're going to get some video up there. And I'll come back. I'm going to go ahead and save battery until I get on the trail. Okay, our goal today, you look through the trees here, that rock face, we're going to be at the top of that, looking over the edge. That's it. That's the hill. Okay, so there was too much snow up at Lover's Leap, and so now we're on Silver Fork Road, and same problem. Boy, it is gorgeous down here right now, though.
Okay, we'll see what happens.
Covered up there.
We'll see. Well, looks like we got skunked out here. Okay, this is what we're doing out here. It's a bit snowy, as you can see. She was quite the rooster. Not the easiest thing to do, especially if you get out of these ruts like he's doing. A bit of snow. GoPro, stop recording. Woo! A little bit of snow on the trail still. And a few creeks. Woohoo! So good. There's still a bit of snow and a lot of water coming down these hills, so we might go somewhere else, I'm guessing. GoPro, stop recording. So this is Bridal Veil Falls. Is this called Bridal Veil?
Huh?
Bridal Veil?
Yeah, Bridal Veil Falls. There's a dirt trail that comes in from the backside, and supposedly you can get up to this source of this from the backside on dirt bikes.
Wow.
Someday I really want to find it. I don't know how you get to it yet, but I'm going to find it.
Pretty cool. GoPro, stop recording.
Okay, so all of our trails have been closed or snowed out. So we're currently on Park Creek. And we've all switched motorcycles. So I am on Greg's KTM 500 EXC. Mike is on my DRZ, and Greg is on Mike's DR650. It is so weird riding this bike. It feels like I'm riding a dirt bike. It just flips around easy, and basically it goes whatever direction you aim it, and it just keeps going that direction. And I haven't ridden the DR650 yet. We'll switch up here in a little bit. We're all going to try each other's bikes. The other thing is, this bike is so dang tall, I cannot reach the ground, so I have to basically get up on one side and start moving and jump on. It's really much taller than my bike. Alright, so now I'm on Mike's DR650.
I was thinking about climbing that hill.